Traders, it's Friday. We've made it. Friday, the 19th of January to be exact. And we are going to look at yesterday's trade. We're going to look at today's potential trades. And we're going to look at the important news for today as well. So let's start with yesterday's trade. So the ones we were looking at were Euro, New Zealand dollar. This was the first trade we were looking at from yesterday. Why were we looking at it? Well, we was in this real funk. Yeah, and then kapow. Yeah, we got a serious, bullish move to the upside, even breaking this high here, guys, and breaking all these highs in here. So we were in an uptrend, okay? And we had this nice bullish candle that broke this high. And we had a bit of room to move into. The only problem is, guys, we were looking for a retrace before we come higher. And as you can see, we just didn't get it. But let's have a look at that on the lower time frame. So on the H4, guys, that has become pretty untradeable. That is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. 36 hours of pretty much nothing. And what we wanted, guys, was a retrace down to this grey zone, a bullish reaction, and then we could start entering. But we just didn't get that, guys. And, like I say, this has been doing pretty much nothing. So, yeah, no trade on Euro, New Zealand dollar, guys. We was also looking at gold. You are gold. Spandau Ballet, check it out. And I still like this trade, although we're going to talk about US dollar pairs in today's trade ideas. But gold was a trade idea from yesterday. Okay, so why was it a trade idea? Well, we were, basically breaking down, guys. We was in a range, yeah, and then price, bang, yeah, came breaking down with this candle here. And I really like this setup, yeah. But again, I'm going to explain to you something in the next part about the US dollar. So when I got this candle that broke these lows, really like this entry. Again, the $1 million question is, where will it retrace to before it comes down? And if we go to the H4 now, yeah, we just didn't get the reaction really. Yeah, so we didn't get a bearish enough reaction in here. Now prices come up to the moving average 20. I'm still interested in selling this, but we just haven't had a bearish enough reaction. So we didn't have a bearish enough reaction in terms of candles on the H4. And if we go down to the H1, you can see that price was building up. Yeah, it become a H1 uptrend. Okay, and this is where we find ourselves now. So, for us to start selling this, I need to start seeing bearish candles, which we just haven't, yeah, in here. And potentially a breakdown of M15 structure or even H1. All right, and we just didn't get that, guys. So no trade on gold. We were also looking at New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. And again, if we start with the day chart, yeah, we like this because we broke this range. Yeah, price was just like, we didn't know who was going to win in here. Yeah, we have no idea. Yeah, buyers and sellers just battling it out. But then as soon as we see this candle here that breaks all of these lows, we have a winner. Yeah, and it was sellers. It was the red team. So this candle here suggested we could just come back up to here and then take price back down, to the next area of support. Again, not rocket science, guys. But yeah, we just didn't get the retrace, yeah, because if I stopped it at this point, if I looked at the H4, right, I've gone back in time here, guys, yeah, like Michael J. Fox and Doc Brown in the DeLorean. So at this point, I'm thinking, happy days, we're going to get a nice retrace potentially into here, test these last highs. There's a bit of an area through here. We get a bearish reaction. We're getting good value, moving average 20s coming round. Happy days. And then if I just play it along by one candle, yeah, all changed. And then by this point, I've missed the trade, guys. Yeah, because you know, if I do start entering here, really, I need to put my stop up here and my targets here. You know, does the trade start to make sense? And I still was seeing lots of buying pressure here. Okay, but then if we just play it along, as you can see, you know, price just come down pretty much for the rest of the day. Yeah, so tricky to get into this one. So from the trades that I showed you guys from yesterday, yeah, no trade. I did take a couple of trades on the VIP Discord channel, guys. All right. So if you are interested in receiving all my trade ideas, because some trades materialize during the day. All right. So if you are interested in that, guys, come join our VIP Discord channel. Right, let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoy receiving my trade ideas and analysis every single day, then please come join the channel. Yeah, subscribe to the channel right now, guys. We'd love to have you. Also, smash the notification button so you receive an alert. And also, guys, please smash the like button, guys. Yeah, it really helps support the channel and the vid. We really appreciate it. Dankashan, salamat, other thank yous. All right. Trades for Friday the 19th of January. Before we get started, guys, let me just mention a few things. Yeah, if you haven't joined our trading community, then why not? Yeah, come join our trading community, guys. We've got like-minded traders sharing trade ideas, experiences. There's help. So come join it. Join our free Discord channel. Also, guys, we've got the VIP Discord channel. You do have to pay for this one, but you get access to me throughout the trading day, as in you can ask me questions and I will help you. I also give you my trade ideas as and when they happen. Yeah. You get access to the Trading Academy, which is just full of tutorials, guys, yeah, to help improve you as a trader. We've got a performance coach in there, and we're test driving strategies as part of the VIP. So, guys, so much value. Check out the VIP Discord. Next, guys, if you would like to be mentored one-on-one by myself, then drop us an email and we'll send you the details of the mentorship program. And then finally, guys, if you would like to show your support for the channel, then you can become a Simply Forex YouTube supporter. All right, member. We've got supporter and gold membership, and you get early access to this video. You get priority questions on the live stream, and you get a free tutorial every single week. So come become a member. Right. Question of the day. I totally forgot about question of the day, guys. Apart from trader, because I know, you know, all you guys want to become a trader. Apart from a trader, what job would you love to do for the rest of your life? Yeah, so apart from a trader, because, you know, you guys, we know, you know, traders, that's what we want to be. But if you could become if you had one job to do for the rest of your life, what would it be? That is today's question. Right. Trades for today. Like I said, guys, we're going to focus on dollar pairs. This is just a bit of overall analysis of the dollar pairs because I'm getting mixed signals, guys. All right. So first of all, you know, we've got this Aussie dollar pair, yeah, Aussie dollar, US dollar, and we're at a really nice support level, and we've got a nice bullish candle. Yeah, you would want to buy that. And what does that mean by buying that? That means US dollar weakness. All right. If we look at another pair, obviously highly correlated, guys, I get this, but if we look at New Zealand US dollar, yeah, very similar story. At a nice support zone, you know, potential move to the upside. We're getting some, you know, bottom wicks. Yeah, so US dollar weakness. US dollar, Canadian dollar. This looks like a good sell opportunity, yeah? We're back at an area of what was once support is now resistance, okay? If we zoom back in, yeah, we're getting bearish reaction. This would suggest we can come lower, right? But now, yeah, if I show you a couple, so gold, for example, yeah, this is clearly breaking down. As a trade idea from yesterday, and it broke these lows, yeah, and out of this range with this candle. So I want to sell this, but that means US dollar strength. Yeah. And the same is true of Euro US dollar. Yeah, we've had a break of this level in here. Yeah, so structurally, we was in this uptrend, a bit of a, box of indecision, and then bang. Yeah, we broke that low with this. So we're in a downtrend. And, not super bearish reaction from yesterday, but the idea would be to take this lower. And again, that would mean US dollar strength. So we're getting a real mixed bag across the US dollar pairs. Is it US dollar strength? Is it US dollar weakness? So tricky, guys, but I just wanted to point that out. I'm just showing you contradiction with the US dollar pairs. So bearing that in mind, trade ideas for today. Yeah, so we've sort of stayed away from US dollar pairs, although I still really like gold. Yeah, I do. I just, if gold, gives me a setup, I will trade it. Okay, because gold is in a downtrend, breaking this low, and we've got this nice amount of room to move into. Okay, so if I get a setup on gold today, I will take it. And what will a setup look like? Well, as you can see, the H4 has retraced to a nice level in terms of the moving average 20. Yeah, but the H1 is clearly in an uptrend. Yeah, so potentially, I want to see something like this. And bearing in mind it's a Friday, guys, it might not happen today. But if we started getting, potentially some H1 action that looked like that, and then bang, we got a break. Yeah, this might happen up here. But if we get something like this in terms of price action, I would sell gold. Back down to here, if not further. All right, guys. So still looking at gold, and, this would be a trade idea for today. And other than that, it's pretty slim pickings today. Yeah, there wasn't, apart from these US dollar pairs, there's not a lot setting up. New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar is my next trade idea, but even there is not a great deal of room to move into. So New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar is my second trade idea. So as you can see, guys, we were in this range. Yeah. Okay, and then we broke this range with this candle here, breaking all of these lows. Okay, as soon as I see that, I'm looking for sells. And the idea was to get a retrace, and come back down to this next level of support. Okay, so that's the trade idea. If we drop down to the H4, I would probably extend this gray zone. Why am I extending it? Because I just want to take into account this area through here. All right, because really, guys, for me to have a trade, I need to see a nice retrace into this area. Yeah, and then we get a bearish reaction, and then we come lower. All right, so that's what I'll be looking for on New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. And the only other thing really that I'm looking at, guys, is a trade against the day trend. Okay, and it's pound Aussie dollar. So if we just start with the weekly chart. Yeah, so pound Aussie dollar on the weekly chart. We are still with weekly trend. Yeah, that's important to point out. So this is the weekly chart. Bang, downtrend, and we are back at these highs. Okay, so it's a weekly resistance level. Okay, so we can expect some move to the downside. Will it move all the way down, back down to here? Who knows? But we can expect some kind of reaction. All right. And then if we go to the day chart, guys, we have had a daily reaction. And why am I willing to look at this? Well, because it's so overbought. It's so overbought. And we've got a nice bearish candle, and I think we've got a bit of room to move into, even, down to this level here. All right. Let me put a target in, actually. So if that's the last high, I'd probably aim for this 9250 level. Because we are against trend, guys. Yeah, my target is not going to be down here. Yeah, we're against trend. So don't push your luck with the target. All right. So, I'm going to look for a conservative target down to here. But please bear in mind, on pound Aussie dollar, that's still 50 pips, which we will happily accept. If we drop down to the lower time frames now, you know, we've had a H1 breakdown, okay, but this is the H4. So really, you know, if we got a break of that level on the H4, okay, break, retest, we come down to here, yeah, or, you know, or we can be more aggressive because on the H1, it's broken down, yeah, clearly, yeah, we was in this uptrend, yeah, and then bang. As soon as we broke all of these lows with this candle here, we're in a downtrend. And now we're starting to see, you know, lower highs. Okay. So we could be more aggressive and potentially trade it back at these highs to take it lower as well. Or we wait for a break of this level. And that's it really, guys. Yeah, there was nothing really else to look at. So yeah, those are my trade ideas. And guys, if you enjoyed my trade ideas, please subscribe to the channel and smash the like button. Let's take a look at the news now. So news for Friday, the 19th of January. It's Friday. The news we're interested in is this, guys. 7 o'clock, all these times are London GMT. 7 o'clock, we have got a slew of data, all core retail sales, month on month, year on year. So all of this data combined is one big 3-star rating. All right, so it must be aware of that, guys. Could move any pound pair. Also, same time, we've got German PPI. So this is like inflation for businesses, if you like. Again, important, could move the euro. 30 minutes later, 7:30 PPI coming out of Switzerland. All right. So again, we saw some real Swiss franc weakness yesterday. Perhaps this could, you know, continue it or stop it dead. Lots of speakers, guys. Yeah, Davos. Yeah, we've got the World Economic Forum in Davos, and yeah, lots of speakers there. So must be aware of anything that comes out of Davos. After that, guys, at 1:30, again, we've got more retail sales coming out of Canada. It says 2 stars, but, you know, combined, it's, you know, one big 3-star rating. All right. And that can move any Canadian dollar pairs. 3 o'clock, we've got existing home sales. And then after that, guys, you are pretty much free to trade. So guys, yeah, if you've enjoyed the vid, please subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget all the cool things we do. We've got our free Discord, we've got the VIP Discord, we've got the mentorship program, and we've got Simply Forex YouTube membership. Check it all out. Have a great weekend, guys, and I'll see you later.